Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You have something to say? Do you need to say something to the audience? Oh, big yawn. Well, anyways, I'm off work and I was just sitting there rotting in my bed and I was like, you know what? I'm going to take Bubbles for a walk. I'm going to record a video and I'm going to take you guys to a great place about 10 minutes from my house that I love going to. The trees are beautiful. There's a lot of shade. It's right by the water. So let's go. I'll see you there. Just like that, we made it, but Bubbles does not want to get out of the car. Come on. Come on, Mama. Let's go. Let's go. Bubbles. Let's go. So like during the day in Charleston, it is entirely too hot to really take Bubbles on a walk, and honestly take myself on a walk. It really reacts with my asthma. Today was 99 degrees, but it's 7:18 and underneath the shade and the sun behind the clouds, it is a lot cooler. So I enjoy being out in nature. It really just clears my head. They have this little Precious Thoughts rock garden. I don't have Facebook, but you found me. Please post a pic to Facebook. That one's really pretty. I picked one out the other day from here to paint myself. That one's pretty, but I'm still painting it. But I plan to come back and bring it to the Precious Thoughts rock garden. Got the train in the background, which I honestly prefer a train. Since I was a little girl, we used to have train tracks right by my house, and it would make me fall asleep. But I wanted to walk down here, bring my book, and read underneath the tree. I love this place. It's not crowded, and Bubbles really likes to go on walks. So this really helps tire her out before I bring her back home to go to bed. They got the amphitheater over there. It's very pretty out here. So I'm reading this book on my Kindle as I'm looking out at the water, and he was talking about a quote that he had on his wall. It's a hiker hiking the Appalachian Trail, and it says, the Dalai Lama once was asked, what surprises you most about humanity? Man, because he sacrifices his health in order to make money. Then he sacrifices money to recuperate his health. And then he is so anxious about the future that he does not enjoy the present. The result being that he does not live in the present or the future. He lives as if he is never going to die, and then he dies having never really lived. What you think about that quote, little girl? Say, let's live, Mom.
Appalachian sunrise
Let's live.
meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
What are you gonna do with it? Huh? What are you gonna do with that stick, girl?
Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, gold.
There's like a little cut through. I don't know what this is. The amp. I don't know, but it's cute. I don't know if anybody's dogs peed or pooped on this, but maybe I'll sit here and read some more. Yo, so I'm leaving, and I'm leaving out of the parking lot, and guess what I found?
Bad night, step over splinters of the moon.
All right, I've got you propped up in the car. All right, so I got the book, The 100 Years of Lenny and Margot. So let me read this to you because I've already read it and it sounds magnificent. Okay, 17-year-old Lenny Peterson lives on the terminal ward at the Glasgow Princess Royal Hospital. Though she's been told she's dying, Lenny still has plenty of living to do. Joining the hospital arts and crafts class, she meets the magnificent Margot, an 83-year-old purple pajama wearing, fruitcake eating rebel who transforms Lenny's life in ways she never imagined. As their friendship blooms, a world of stories open up for those unlikely companions who, between them, have been alive for 100 years. Though their days are dwindling, both are determined to leave their mark on the world. With the help of Lenny's doting, palatable care nurse and father, Arthur, the hospital's patient chaplain, Lenny and Margot devise a plan to create 100 paintings showcasing the stories of the century they have lived. Stories of love and loss, of courage and kindness, of unexpected tenderness and pure joy. Though the end is near, life isn't quite done with these unforgettable women just yet. Delightfully funny and bittersweet, heartbreaking yet ultimately uplifting. The 100 Years of Lenny and Margot reminds us of the preciousness of life as it considers the legacy we choose to leave, how we influence the lives of others even after we're gone, and the wonder of a friendship that transcends time. Got this book for $3.99. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I don't have a niche for this channel. I love doing days in the life vlogs, but if you like the content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.